Welcome aboard United Flight 486 inbound from Spokane, Washington. We are aboard November 403 Uniform Alpha, a 26-year-old Airbus A320-232 in seat 8 Alpha. We are approaching and will be using runway 22 right today, this morning, which is a very rare approach and landing in Chicago that I've been looking forward to for ages. Gotta say, I did think we only made one small turn on this approach, so something was a little off. Anyway, enjoy this approach and landing on 22 right into Chicago O'Hare.
Chicago O'Hare International Airport at a local time of 4:16 a.m. We are quite a bit early this morning. Please stay comfortably seated until the seatbelt sign has been turned off. You may continue to use and charge your phones and other small devices. If you are sitting in an exit row, please refrain from plugging your devices into the outlets. Before you leave us today, please double check the seat back pocket and the area around your seat. Make sure you have all of your personal belongings and all of your electronic devices before exiting the aircraft this morning. And again, please be careful of opening overhead compartments. On behalf of United, our Star Alliance partners, and your entire in-flight crew, we thank you for flying with us. We do hope that you've had a pleasant onboard experience, and we look forward to welcoming you again on a future United flight. Bye.
Right here, as we cross runway 9 right, 27 left, is when I realized what runway we actually landed on. I have been trying to land on 22 right for ages, and I've finally been able to do it. Of course, without even knowing until we crossed that exact runway. And that's when I was blown away. Anyway, we will be parking at gate Charlie 17 tonight and taxiing to the gate via Alpha 1 Charlie 17. I really hope you enjoyed this rare landing in Chicago O'Hare. Runway 22 right is not used that often. And when it is, I like it because it's unusual. And I like unusual landings. Anywho, I did keep this entire taxi in this video because quite frankly, nobody's going to click on a 2-minute video of a landing. So I want to make it a little bit longer. Anywho, I hope to see you on our departure from Chicago, as we will be heading out on the CRJ 700, kinda, further east into the great state of New York.